So if you use the desktop version of Notion, then you get tabs like these, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can easily rearrange these tabs by clicking and dragging it, just like in a browser window. You can also go ahead and then click on the plus button right here, just like this, and choose another tab right here and open up tab right there. Click on create a new page, and then the new page tab opens up right here, just like this. You can go ahead and close the tab right here. You can go ahead and right click it, refresh the tab, even duplicate the tab, or you can go ahead and then pin the tab right here, just like this, as with the browser. And you can also go ahead and then reopen the last closed tab as well. Apart from that, you can move the tab to new window as well, just like this. And then these are the settings that you have with tabs if you're using the desktop version of Notion app right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.